What's up, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. First things first, go hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Even if you don't like it, just like it anyway. Just have some kindness in your heart, man. It's Monday. Just everybody having a rough Monday just because it's Monday. You feel me? You can show some love by, you know, liking the video or whatnot. But today's video, it's gonna be a short video as always. But I'm installing these AVS guards, rain guards, window guards, whatever you want to call it. You'll see in the video. But yeah, do what I just said about 10 seconds ago, and let's get to it. So I'm installing these bitches, and I'm thinking, like, cause I seen some chargers where like this go on the inside, like up under here, and then the window shuts on it to, you know, seal it in. But this shit did not say under there. I don't know if it's a different type or whatever, or I'm just doing it wrong. But look at this back on. This shit for sure do not go under the window, cause look at this. Like how? This shit don't roll down. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, or it's just the wrong type that I'm looking for. I'm gonna see how it look though when I'm done. Alright, I'll be back. It's the finished product, but I don't know. Why these bitches keep fucking with me? Alright, so I guess I bought the wrong ones, because on my old car, you can see these directly go into it, and it fits perfectly because it stops here. But this one, I guess it's just, I don't know, the only reason I don't mind it too much is it's all black, so it kind of blends in until you really get up on it. But y'all can tell me what y'all think. I don't know. Man. I mean, it'll do for now, I guess. Whatever, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. All that stuff.